Are you tired of paying full price for everything? Let me show you my secret to saving money on DIY projects and home goods. These are three apps I use a lot and tips and tricks I'm going to show you real quick. So this is Slick Deal, Home Goods, and Lowe's. Let's get to it. On Slick Deal, underneath the tab is Deals. This is for you. Basically, whatever you search the most, it'll pop up. Now, the great thing about this is that they have likes and comment. You can click on a product, and a lot of the users will actually give you comment if it's good, it's bad, if it's good quality, if the deal goes through or not. And it makes it really easy. If you click on see deals, it'll take you directly to the link. Now, on the other tab, Browse, what's great about this is if you have specific stores you want to go to, like Amazon, Lowe's, Home Depot, they actually have coupons and deals on that specific store. So all you have to do is click on the coupon tab and deals tab. And they also, by the way, verify if the coupon works or not. And it's very current, it's very up to date. One of my favorite tabs is Deal Alerts. This actually is great for, let's say there are specific things that you're looking for. I like to use Milwaukee tool. I always want to get updates on what's coming out and what's on sale. So all I have to do is type in Milwaukee and hit create and done. And when a new product or any Milwaukee that goes on sale for all of the retail stores, it'll pop up for me. It'll actually notify me. Now we're going to go over Home Depot, some tips and tricks on this app. One thing that I look at the most is actually special buy of the day. There's a timer on here. It's time sensitive, but you get great deals on it. If you click on it, it will actually show you what is the percentage on the top left. So this one's 20%, 18%. It just really depends on the item, and you have to check it daily. This is daily deals, so this is great. You never know what you're going to get. I actually got a massage chair from here, so it's pretty awesome. I've never thought that Home Depot sell massage chair, and I got 40-50% off on the massage chair. So sometimes I've seen 60%. That's the highest it'll go, but you never know. It might go up to 80. And then let's go to Lowe's. Now, the great thing about Lowe's is that I like to compare the apps between Home Depot and Lowe's, appliances, material, because when doing DIY, I don't want to just go to one and pay full price for it. Different company will have different pricing for the same product. So I like to browse around, compare and contrast. The other thing that I like about Lowe's is it actually has weekly deals, weekly ads, so you can actually view that. Now there's a deal of the day, and they make it actually pretty simple for you to use. It also have the timer just like Home Depot. Basically pick on what product you want. It'll tell you all the products are around 30%, 20%. And that's how I really compare and contrast on most of the deals. Now, let me go back. The last thing I just wanted to show you guys is that most of my project that I did basically take place in, first was my bathroom. So I updated everything using these apps to help me find the product in the best deal. And I actually saved about $4,000 instead of hiring someone to do it. I saved $4,000 looking up the material, getting for a very cheap price for a very high-end material. So did all my project using these apps to save money. And good luck, and please subscribe. Thank you.